Hey everybody, the Mouse and More here with an unboxing of the GoPro Hero 10 Black accessories bundle.
Since I'm a current GoPro subscriber, they have an exclusive deal for $399. This includes the Hero 10 Black and the accessories bundle. I also purchased a few additional items for the GoPro Hero 10. So we'll open some of the accessories first before we open the GoPro 10. One was a dual battery charger and spare battery. And the other was a protective housing and waterproof case. I also got a USB pass-through door. So now let's see what's in the Hero 10 Black accessories bundle. It has the new GP2 processor. It shoots 5.3K video with double the frame rate. The camera's 23 megapixels. It has enhanced low light performance and Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization in all modes. And on top of that, the Hero 10 is cloud connected. Included with the accessories bundle is a 32GB SD card.
It comes in a nice camera case, just like the Hero 9 did. As soon as you unzip the camera case, you'll notice a card that says you must update the camera before you can use it. It also has some instructions for mounting along with some GoPro stickers. You will also get a booklet that has some answers to some product questions. So this is the Hero 10 Black accessories bundle. Which includes one magnetic swivel clip, two batteries, one USB-C cable, two thumb screws, two buckle mounts, one curved mount, one shorty, which is a mini extension pole and tripod, along with the 32GB SD card. So all that comes in the hard shell camera case. So on the GoPro 10, there are 3 screen protectors that must be removed before you can use it. There's also lettering that says your camera must be updated before you can use the camera. The blue lettering on the camera is a nice touch. So let's put the SD card in and then the battery, and then we'll update the firmware. Let's just power it up. This is a pretty straightforward process. Just make sure your Bluetooth is connected and you have updated the GoPro Quick app. Now you should only have to wait a few minutes before the software is updated. While it's updating, this is my first unboxing video, so it was fun to do. A little nervous doing it, but hopefully it'll come out okay. So that's it. It's all updated, ready to use. Thanks so much for watching. Please consider subscribing and don't forget to hit the bell notification.